Hello everyone and welcome back to another J-Rock video. Today what we have is a hedge job. We've got a hedge reduction, hedge trim, and we're also removing 3 trees as well and taking them down to stump level. With us today we're going to be taking the Husqvarna battery chainsaw. This has been pretty brilliant all the time that I've been using it, the 535i. We've got the Ego pull saw multi-tool that I'll be taking with us as well, just to help with it. And just turning you around here, we've got the chipper, the 4-inch Forest Master in the 10x5 trailer. So I'm going to be taking that through now and we'll get started on this job. It should be pretty good, although I feel like death this morning, I really do. Anyway, let's get on with it. Right then, that is us. So we have done all the trimming, as you have just seen. The one that we're jumping to now, if I just turn this around, is the reduction of this beech hedge. So what I'm hoping is there's a rough curvature here. So what I'm hoping is bring it down so we've got about a foot of normal sort of thicker growth and then a foot or 2 of spindly growth as well. So we're going to get working on this, try and reduce it down, tidy it up, and it should be in a lot better state for coming into next year. Let's get on with it. So more often than not when I start reduction, I try and put in the rough height that I'm going to go at, and then the 2 ways that I see that you can either do it take the hedge trimmer and just put in your line, roughly, or literally from where I am on that point up at that gap, I'll literally just continue the same height over and do it, like I say, roughly over. Now the thing is with beeches, and anytime you're sort of normally doing reductions with these types of hedges, they're going to shoot new growth anyway next season. So when they do that, that's when you're going to end up getting a new level. So the height that you're reducing at isn't the height that it's going to be forever. So get in this line, and then when it comes next season, new growth starts coming, that's when you'll find the level and sort of keep it trimmed in at that height. But yeah, so I'm going to do this and just carry that all the way through. Right, we've only got one tree left to do, but what I've done is I've gathered all the brush over here. I'm going to get a gun and the chipper, hopefully get all this chipped today, then I can take the big stuff to the tip tomorrow. Right then, so that's job complete there. We've got all the waste in the trailer, so that's ready to go to the tip this morning. So this is day 2. The mic played up yesterday and also some of the footage did, so I do apologise for that. But this is our hedge down this side, all swept in nice and clean with the whole area tidied up. We've got the stack of the bigger stuff on here on the right. The client's going to chop down some of these, use them as bits of kindling, and he also wants the bigger stuff for logs, for the log burner, and that's as much as this is going down to. From there, we came around, and what I've done today, because like I said, the footage messed up a little bit, because I took down the 3rd tree. I'll just show you the stump. This is what we've got. So this thing was rotted through anyway, so it really didn't need to come out. Again, he just wanted them stacked and left where he was, just for bits of kindling. From there, you can also see this is the hedge that we've done up this side. Looks a lot neater and tidier. And by doing your beech hedges in winter, you end up getting that cleaner line, so that when it comes back to next year, when it starts to reflower, comes through copper, green, whatever species you have, it looks so much better. Then just in here, down the side, you can see where we've taken it back a whole lot more on this left hand side, but it also just opens up the walkway a little bit. You can also see from this point here where we've done the reduction, you can just see the step. I've left this step because I am wanting to keep this a little bit higher on this end. You can see where it tailors off. I want to try and grow this a little bit higher just to hide that shed from when you're on this point. Hopefully by doing so, it'll just look a bit cleaner and just a bit more natural instead of looking at a bright white wall. So anyway, thank you very much for joining us on this video. If you can, like, comment, subscribe and share it. It is a massive help. I hope you're all doing well. This job was priced in at just under £500, Great British pounds that is. From there, by the time you take off tax and the waste disposal, that costs £43.50 in my area to tip privately, but you need to be separate registered, which I obviously am. So, you know, with them coming off, it's a profit of around about net 380-ish, 370-ish, just off the top of my head. So not too bad for what was somewhere around 5.5, 6 hours work. So happy with that. Any comments, any questions, down below. Till next time.